Hi, Michael James here, best-selling Udemy instructor. Now, on this video, I just wanted to show you an awesome site called salary.com, and from that we can have a look at what different jobs will pay in terms of salary in the United States. Now, today we're going to have a look at a Scrum Master salary. All you need to do is go to the search bar and we'll type in Scrum Master. Now notice it comes up with different levels of Scrum Master, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 obviously being the entry level. So let's have a look at what the entry level median salary range is for a Scrum Master in the United States. So if we click on that, and there we go, the median is 83,000 US dollars. Now that's a great salary. And also as a Scrum Master, personally, I think it's an awesome job. It's a really rewarding job. You are working with a team on complex problems, trying to figure out things for the first time. There's going to be an awful lot of creativity needed. There's going to be some firefighting. Every day is going to be different. It's going to teach you some great management skills. So I really think Scrum is a fantastic method for project management, and a Scrum Master role is a really rewarding role to have. Now, if you want to get into tech without knowing how to code, again, being the manager and being a Scrum Master is a great way in. Let's have a look at the Scrum Master 4 salary to see what the upper limit is then. So if we go to Scrum Master level 4, we've got a median salary of 140,000 US dollars. So you can choose by location in the United States, and you've got some other filters there as well. Have a play with this. If you do want to have a look at Scrum Master roles, Product Owner roles, Developer roles, or anything else for that matter, this site, salary.com, is really useful. Now, it's not just about having the experience and the credentials, but you really need to make a great impression in the interview as well. You need to come across as somebody that really wants this particular role working for this particular organization. That will set you apart from other candidates. I actually have a course that teaches you how to research the company, how to come across really well in interviews, how to make a great first impression, how to prepare for assessments and things like that. So you'll find that course, or you'll find a link to a discount for that course in the description below this video, and you'll also find you'll also find some links to discounts for my Scrum certification courses as well. So if you want to go get your Scrum Master certifications or your Product Owner certifications up to level 2, then I've got courses for that. Again, there's a discount in the description below this video. Okay, so I just want to make a short video on this today. Hope you enjoy it. I'm Michael James. Like and subscribe for more tidbits and information and things about Scrum and AI and interviewing coming this way onto this channel. Again, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.